Have you ever wondered how to negotiate offers and master the art of real estate deal making? If so, this video is for you. I'm Jason Hubbard with eXp Realty. In this next episode of our home seller series, I'm going to share valuable tips on how to navigate the negotiation process and to secure a successful sale. Negotiating offers is a pivotal part of the real estate transaction process. It's where sellers and buyers come together to agree on price, terms, and contingencies. As a seller, it's essential to be well prepared and equipped with effective negotiation strategies. Here are a few key tips to keep in mind. Know your bottom line. Before entering into negotiations, establish the lowest price at which you're willing to sell your home for. This figure should consider your financial goals, your home's market value, as well as your ability to compromise. Be flexible with price. While it's important to know your bottom line, it's also essential not to overprice your home and to be willing to make minor concessions. This doesn't mean giving up everything you want, but it does show the buyer that you're serious about reaching an agreement. The market changes frequently, and full price offers are not always the norm. Address contingencies effectively. Buyers often include contingencies in their offers, such as financing, inspection, and appraisal contingencies. Be prepared to discuss these contingencies with the buyer and find solutions that work for both of you. When negotiating the price, always keep in mind that the inspection period is often another negotiation period. If you're selling an older house or even a newer house that is in need of some repairs, always keep in mind to factor in that the buyer may be asking for repairs or a credit to complete repairs. Also, keep the appraisal in mind. Look at comparable sales with your real estate agent and make sure that you keep in mind that if the home appraises for less than the contract price, that another negotiation is likely to happen, as the buyer either has to come out of pocket for the difference or the price will need to be lowered. The lender is only going to lend based on the appraised value. Another contingency to consider when negotiating is the home sale contingency. Does the buyer have a home that they need to sell before they can close on your home? Obviously, it's better to have a contract with someone that doesn't need this contingency, but that's not always an option. Negotiate terms carefully. Terms can include the closing date, possession date, and inclusions or exclusions. Consider your needs and preferences when negotiating these terms. When do you want or when do you need to close? Do you need post-possession? Do you want to include your refrigerator, your washer, your dryer, your spa into the sale of the home? Stay professional and courteous. Remember that negotiation is a two-way street. Listen carefully to what the buyer's concerns are. Be respectful of the buyer and their needs, even if you disagree with them, which you will plenty of the time. Respond promptly to offers, counteroffers, and addendums. And sometimes you have to be willing to walk away. Bending to every single demand can give the buyer the sense that you are desperate and can lead to unneeded leverage for them. Lean on your agent. They are a valuable resource, assuming you've hired an experienced agent anyway. They have been through this process over and over and over and have seen many different scenarios. They can offer strategies to deal with different issues. They are experts in the market and know how to read the data. Here are a few additional tips that can help you master the art of real estate deal making. Be proactive. Don't wait for the buyer to make an offer. Be prepared to present your own offer, which demonstrates your confidence and your willingness to move forward. Do your research. Stay up to date on the latest market trends and home values. This knowledge will give you an edge in negotiations. Build a relationship with your real estate agent. Your agent is your advocate and can provide valuable guidance through the negotiation process. They should be walking you through the process and keeping you aligned with what the market is like before you list and throughout your listing. It can change frequently during a listing period. Many times in the spring in Arizona, our market is booming, but it also slows down typically in the wintertime. Negotiating offers can be a challenging but rewarding experience. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of securing a successful sale and achieving your financial goals. Remember, the key to effective negotiation is to be prepared, flexible, and professional. Thanks for joining me today on my YouTube channel, Living in Arizona with Jason Hubbard. As always, if you found this information useful, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe so that you can be notified when new videos come out. I'll catch you on the next video.